In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix double audio on X when playing video on web browser mobile. First of all, you want to launch open any web browser and head over to x.com. Go ahead and play a video. Now what you want to do is from the notification bar, you want to pause the video playback. So if you see the notification here, you simply want to pause it. Then you want to go ahead and play the video again. Now you want to check if that works. If it doesn't, then you can simply refresh the page. So for that, you simply want to refresh the page, then open up any video and check if that fixes your issue. Next, you want to disable autoplay. For that, head over to the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. You want to tap on the search bar and here you want to search for autoplay. Tap on that. Now go ahead and select never over here. Once that is done, this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.